Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3, 2, 1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel will be beneficial when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's video, as always, if you haven't already, don't forget to click that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more. So in today's video, I will be teaching you how to say, where are you from? Where are you from? And how you say that in Twi is, wo firi he. Wo firi he. Wo firi he. Wo is you or your. Firi. Firi means from. And he is where. Wo firi he. So literally it's you from where. Makes sense. You from where? Wo firi he. Wo firi he. Where are you from? Wo firi he. Wo firi he. Let's say it together. Wo firi he. And again, wo firi he. Last time, wo firi he. Nice one. And how you respond to that is me free. Insert location, destination, country. Me free. Me free. Me is me, my, or I. Free. Free again means from. Let's say together. Me free. And again. Me free. Last time. Me free. Now let's insert some countries or destinations. Me free Tamale. Me free Kumasi. Me free Scotland. Me free New York. You could also ask, are you from here? Are you from here? Wo firi ha. Wo firi ha. Wo firi ha. Wo firi ha. So wo is you or your. Free. Free is from. Ha is here. You could say, wo firi ha anaa. Wo firi ha anaa. Anaa. Anaa is used at the end of a sentence to make it a question or to mean or. Wo firi ha anaa. Wo firi ha anaa. You could say yes, Aane, or no, Daabi. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.
Test yourself. What does free mean? Why is anaa used in sentences? Translate this sentence. Ebia, wo firi Jamaica. Translate this sentence. Minim bebia wo firi. Leave your answers in the comment section.